the darker a woman's vagina. The more, many people notice that the skin around a woman's vulva is often darker than the rest of her body. And in some women, this difference is even more pronounced. The truth behind this has nothing to do with the myths or stereotypes people team's belief. In fact, science shows that darker, intimate skin is a completely normal and healthy variation influenced mainly by biology, hormones, and genetics. The coloration of a woman's intimate area is primarily determined by melanin, the pigment that gives color to skin, hair, and eyes. The more melanin your body produces in clitoria, the darker it will naturally be. This is not a sign of sexual activity, nor does it indicate anything about a woman's behavior. Simply the result of how her body's cells respond to hormones and genetic coding. Puberty is often when these changes become noticeable. During this time, rising levels of estrogen can stimulate stimulus, the pigment-producing cells in the genital region, leading to a darker tone compared to the surrounding skin. Similarly, major hormonal shifts occur as during pregnancy when blood flow and hormone production increase can alcide pan the shade. This effect is known as hyperpigmentation and is entirely natural. Psychologically, the way people perceive genital coloration is strongly shaped by culture and media. In some cultures, darker tones are linked with maturity, vitality, and fertility. In others, lighter tones are considered more appealing, often because of fun realistic portrayals in adult entertainment or advertising. These standards are cultural, not biological, and they can impact a woman's self-esteem if she feels she doesn't fit ideal. From an evolutionary psyche perspective, pigment differences may have originally played a role as subtle subconscious indicators of reproductive maturity. However, in the modern world, the connection is purely biological and no longer serves as a reliable signal for anything beyond normal variation. For partners, preferences in coloration are deeply personal. Some are drawn to richer, darker tones, associating them with warmth and sensuality, while others lean toward lighter shades. There is no universal rule of attractiveness. Online individual tastes shaped by experience and environment. Medical experts emphasize that vulva color can range from pale pink to reddish brown, deep brown, or even purplish hues, and all are normal. A sudden change in tone, especially if it's accompanied by pain, itching, or texture changes, should be checked by a doctor to rule out infection or skin conditions. In short, the darker a woman's vagina, the more it reflects her unique combination of hormones, genetics, and life stages, another sexual past. Every shade is healthy, natural, and beautiful in its own